2008 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT 3.8 liter. It's a 6-cylinder. This part is for your heater hose, goes in the back, comes out of your thermostat, and this part is one of the main things that breaks in this vehicle, and it's used in many other Chryslers and Dodge Caravans. Chrysler, Town and Country, same thing, uses this part. It's garbage. This is the OEM factory part. It says glue on it because I was trying to seal it, but it's split right in the middle here and it's leaking. Sprayed antifreeze all in the engine compartment. So I was able to go on eBay quickly and find this part for $85 with aluminum. It's better. Clamped, pre-clamped, they pre-tighten it, and it took me 5 minutes to get this off, 5 minutes to get the new one on. It's a way better part, has 5-star ratings, $85 ship. Also comes with the secondary hose for the rear that clips on. Looks like this, just a little longer. That's a great deal. I got it in 3 days, fixed the vehicle up real quick. But I wanted to have a spare. I was looking on YouTube on how to fix this. You can go to Home Depot and get a Y connector, put it in here, take these off. And you can also go on eBay and buy this kit. It's like $11 shipped. And it's a kit for this. Just bust this out, what I'm gonna do, and put these hoses on here. It's another way to fix your vehicle. Put that there, and it actually comes with it, so you don't really have to bust this one out. You get these off, reuse these. And if you go to Home Depot, you actually can find hose that you can use. But I want to use these because they're pre-bent, and I want to have this as a spare. Do I think the new part will ever break? No. It's made out of aluminum. This is plastic, it's junk. But I want to have a spare in the van because when you're far away and your vehicle breaks down and you can't fix it, it really stinks. So again, took this out 5 minutes, put one in 5 minutes. Very easy. Just use a pair of pliers, take it out, press these, put a little Windex on the new one, slide it in, and you're done. Fill it with water, fill the radiator with water and your overflow, and you're good. What I'm gonna do, just take out this, try to take apart this stock part, 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is the notorious broken, breaks all the time, from your heater core to the back of your engine, from your thermostat, breaks there, starts leaking, goes everywhere. You overheat, and they sell this whole thing brand new with aluminum. I would not go to a dealer. I have already did that. This is the second part. This is the one they put in. It only lasted 2 years before it broke again. It's garbage from the dealer, and I love dealer parts, OEM stuff, but this is garbage. Get one on eBay for $85. It comes with a secondary hose. And this is made out of aluminum, and everything is already all set up for you. You just pop it on. It takes less than 5 minutes. It even comes with the clips. This is an alternative. If you still want to use these hoses, you can. You buy this kit for about 12 bucks shipped off eBay. And it comes with the Y connector. And what you're going to do is you're going to take these hoses and you're going to put them there, and it's going to make your part again. And then you have aluminum. It also comes with a small hose in case you don't want to use this one. And it comes with clamps. It's wonderful. It's made by Doorman Help. So I'm going to take it apart and I'll take another video or pictures. This actually has glue on it. I just wanted to see if glue would actually stick to this, because it's cracks right there. Right there is where the water come out. Get all over the top of your motor, your hood liner. But I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna have to bust this apart. Somebody did it on YouTube, but they don't show how they do it, so I'm curious. Okay, here's the finished product. I would suggest to do this in your sink because to get these pieces back on, these protectors, you're gonna have to use warm water, hot water, and dish soap because they do not like to slide back on. Then wash it all down to get that dish soap off so that your engine doesn't get all bubbly. Here's the part, the broken part. Look what happened to the glue that I put on here. When water touches it, it gets all crazy. Here's the part I had to break. I had to break it. This is the stock hose. So if you figure the stock hose is about this big, so I want to make sure I have enough room. Bring that all the way up. You could cut this down if you want, but I don't want to take a chance. I'd rather have a little bit more room. I am going to take this apart. It's not easy. Basically using a Dremel, just cutting across here gently. Put some tape on this so I don't mess the hose up. Cut right here and then use the pliers to try to squeeze it to break it in half. I mean, I could say somebody could use a hacksaw here, but if you hit this hose, the hose is here and here. You're gonna make a slice in the hose. And it's got two. You gotta bust. I got one side open, kept flipping it. Drilled, see? Dremel that one side. Then just pressed it with the pliers and it snapped. This side. Got it enough. I didn't get to this end, it was getting too close to the hose, but I was able to squeeze it and get it off. So this is the part that you buy, $11, $12 shipped. It's for Chrysler. Here's your sizes. It says right here. This is absolutely great. So now, this also comes with an additional clamp so you can use it here. So I'm going to actually put it on here lightly to keep it as a spare. This is easy to get off of the van. If you got a pliers. But I would keep this just in case on here, lightly, in case I gotta use it. So there's your finished part. 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. 3.8 liter, 6-cylinder. This part is used on many vehicles. So this part would probably fit. You go on eBay and you find this on eBay for 12 bucks shipped. It was like $11.99. Probably might even be able to find this in a place, Doorman Help, wherever they sell this stuff. There's your number for the part. Thank you for viewing.